The Liberty Air 2 Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the new Liberty Air 2 Pro by Soundcore, a successor to the Liberty Air 2. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and a wide assortment of ear tips. The Liberty Air 2 Pro features 7 hours of listening time, 26 hours with the case. 15 minutes of charge will give you 3 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, AAC SBC codec, touch controls, ANC and a transparency feature, app integration with EQ settings, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. It comes in 4 color options: onyx black, titanium white, sapphire blue, and crystal pink. I have the titanium white version. One thing you will notice is the new case design. It has a compact slim form factor with a matte finish and it's easy to grip. On the top, you have the Soundcore logo. On the front, you have the status LED lights. And on the back, you have the USB-C charge port along with the pairing and reset button. Opening the lid uses a sliding mechanism, unlike the previous version which flipped up. Just slide it up to access the earbuds. The earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case, and you can see the glossy white finish along with the ear indicators on the corner of the case. As mentioned, this has wireless charging and it takes about 3 hours to fully charge, and you can see it here on the charger. Just like the previous version, the earbuds have a stem design. It's a bit more rounded around the edges and a larger base towards the ear tips. The ear markings are on the bottom of the stem and the outer face has a branding with gray accenting and a surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, LED, microphones, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to get the desired functions. This has app integration and you can download the Soundcore app. Once connected, you have access to a variety of features. You can toggle the ANC and transparency features. It gives you several modes for the ANC: transport, indoor, outdoor, and custom. It will cancel out certain frequencies depending on your environment. And you can toggle the transparency on and off as well as enable normal mode. Also included is the Hear ID feature, which can map your hearing sensitivity to multiple frequencies and creates a profile. You can create custom EQ settings or choose from 22 presets depending on the sound signature you prefer. And finally, you have the option to customize the touch control assignments, and you can update the firmware in the general settings. The case comes in at 2.4 by 2.3 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 51 grams and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going.
for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and you can use the earbuds independently left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Liberty Air 2 Pro. The earbuds seated nicely in my ears and they felt secure. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. The touch controls don't add additional pressure when navigating. Build and quality is solid. I like the sleek design of the case and the color combination of the earbuds. They both feel durable. Touch controls were not overly sensitive and responded well. Battery life is decent, coming in at 7 hours and 26 total with the case. I like the app integration and the features included in it. I would have liked to seen a better IPX rating. The active noise cancellation feature I feel worked very well. It does a good job of canceling the surrounding sounds, and as mentioned, you can choose from various settings depending on your environment. The transparency also picked up the sounds loud and clear when activated. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it's deep, tight, and punchy. It doesn't overwhelm, and it was just the right amount. Mids and highs I feel were excellent. Very crisp, clean sounds, and there's good depth and separation. It did well with various music genres that I tested it with. Overall, I feel that there is good value in these earbuds. They're a solid pair in my opinion. The sounds definitely don't disappoint, and they're definitely a step up from the previous version. So that is my review of the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.